guys. So I am Gavin.
I'm Shauna.
And welcome to our channel, Journey with the Jacksons.
So we live in the beautiful island of Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Right? And so one of our many passions involve traveling, right, babe? Right. And so we've traveled a little, but not extensively, and not to the extent that we want to. So right now, this is what we're going to do. We've decided to run with this channel just so we could showcase some of our travels.
Yeah.
Right around Jamaica, there are lots of beautiful, fun places to go and visit and see. And so we want you all to come join us, come explore with us, come have
fun with us. There are many hidden places in Jamaica. Many persons have not heard of these places, and we will be traveling to these places, so we won't say all the places just yet. So you will have to stay tuned to see all these places, but it will be fun, and we want to take you guys along with us
on that journey.
Yeah, so this will be awesome. Okay guys, so like, share, subscribe.
That's right.
Join us on our journey.
So see ya.
See ya.
Bye.